So in this new tutorial I will show you how you create your very own website and design with Elementor so you can sell them on Team Forest. Links in the description. So right over here I'm going to show you how you create your very own design. We're going to dive into the page builder of Elementor. You have the free version and the paid version, but for the headers like this, services, about and reviews, we need Elementor Pro. But for the website, okay, let's dive into the tutorial. I'm going to install WordPress now. In the description are a few hosting providers that I highly recommend. So I'm going to install WordPress in my domain and my subdomain, my subdirectory. I'm going to click install. Here you enter your password. Right over here you enter your username. It's smart to don't keep it as admin, but for the tutorial it's good. Right over here you type your site name, Elementor site, and right over here we hit the install button. So now it's WordPress installing. So if you need WordPress to manage your website, and you need hosting for to manage your WordPress website. So okay, this is an error, I must reconnect. Let's go, and there it is. So right over here we got our beautiful site, but we're gonna make it much better. So back to the dashboard of WordPress. Now we're gonna add and install Elementor. I'm installed already Elementor, but I'm gonna show you how you do this. Go to Add Plugins, links in the description to try Elementor, and this is the very best page builder with over 5 million installs. It's the #1 page builder for WordPress. Right over here, and you can upload Elementor Pro if you want it right over here in just a few steps. So right over here we are going to install plugins, appearance themes, and we're going to install the Astra theme, because for our Elementor or page builder we need just the theme. So right over here are a lot of themes, and we are going to choose the Astra theme. The Astra theme has a lot of themes, links in the description to the Astra theme. And right over here click on Astra theme, search for Astra theme, and it's loading right now. And I'm going to show you how you install a theme. A theme is a design, so what you need for your website. Right over here I click on install, click on activate, and right over here our Astra theme is installed. So let's take a look at the site. So your design is changing now. Okay, it's looking pretty empty and boring. So we're gonna change that. Click on customize, and we will wait until it's loaded. Okay, so right over here you can edit your menus. So I'm gonna show you step by step how you create your very own website. Click on edit page, because we are going to edit the Astra, the template. Okay, we'll wait until it's loaded. And right over here click on edit with Elementor, and we will create our design. I also want to tell you Elementor has released EI builder where you can generate your own sections. So it's also really helpful for if you can't design, you can use Elementor IE. Let's dive in. So let's dive in to create and customize the website. We'll wait until it's loaded. Okay, here's Elementor IE. I'm gonna make another tutorial about that. But right over here, we're going to click further, and I will show you all the templates that you got with Elementor Pro. So I can go to the dashboard and go to templates, kit library, step by step. If you don't follow it, you can slow down the video. And right over here you have a lot of Elementor templates. It's beautiful. So you can create, for almost any website, you can create your very own design in WordPress with the Elementor page builder. When we are here, we are going to create our own design. So right over here, you can select Aria and you can customize it. So all of those templates for any case, for any business, for any website. So right over here, and I'm going to scroll down, just import them with one click. So no coding knowledge required or no programming knowledge required. So right over here, you have all the sections. I'm going to change the design completely. It looks pretty empty and pretty ugly right now. I agree with you. So right over here, we're going to change a lot of images. So I go to unsplash.com, unsplash, and I will get free images from our website. So I'm going to search, for example, for like landscape people. And right over here, we get the best pictures, high quality pictures. It's very nice. So I'm going to download a few one and I'm going to upload. The image is loading right now and nearly done. It took some time. And right over here, the image is loaded. So I'm going to use this beautiful image and insert it with the select button. Okay, he is looking much better than before, but it's still not yet what we want. So here you have the header. You can only get it with the Pro version. So if you want to navigate to another page, you need the Pro version. And right over here, you can select it to another color. Okay, this is looking pretty good in my opinion. So right over here, I'm gonna enter my new site, and I'm gonna give another color. And right over here, plus button, Aria, and right over here, select your range, and plus, and go to your Elementor templates, and I'm gonna search for header. Here are all the blocks. If you want to get all those templates, so just the link is on my blog and on the in the description, so you can implement everything right now. I'll customize the site a little bit and insert a good header. Right over here, I'm gonna insert it, apply, and we will wait. Beautiful in my opinion. We get a great site right now, and we will drop the header here to here. Okay, and right over here, and change this a little bit to just drag and drop. So it's really easy. Maybe in the beginning it's hard, but it will become easier and easier. So for example, you can just drag it right over here, and you have right over here your header with your pages, and okay. So I'll update this, and I will select the templates again. So your cool feature is Elementor AI. Right over here, you can type a description and it will generate content automatically for you. So if you don't want to design, or you can create almost any website with the Elementor page builder. So we go back to the library and insert a template or a section. So right over here. Okay, that's nice. It's looking really professional. So we got a really professional website. It's clean, modern, and fast. So right over here, and I click on update, and I will wait until it's loaded, and I will drop the gallery right over here, right over there, and I will maximize my products. So right over here, drag this a little bit to the right. Designing this website, and I drag the gallery right over here, and you can add sections, you can navigate, you can go back and go forward. Here we got this section. I'm gonna skip the process and I'll show you the results. Here we got a beautiful website, and I will save the layout, and I will make another tutorial how you import templates. So right over here, we're going to install the plugin, update. Don't forget to hit the update button. Or online. So after a few minutes, we are just set it and go online. So that's amazing. And I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll add some footage. Right over here, we just created a beautiful WordPress website in just a few minutes. That's amazing. So subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.